Welcome to RV Educational Classes. In this video, we will discuss about the equations of motions. Equations of motions are used to know the relation between initial velocity, final velocity, uniform acceleration, time interval and displacement of the body. There are three equations of motions are derived. These equations of motions are useful when only the bodies are traveling with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration is discussed in the last video. Okay, na? In this video, we will discuss about the first equation of motion. In this video, we will discuss about the first equation of motion. Here the bodies are traveling with uniform acceleration. Then only these equations of motions are applicable. So consider a body is at the position A, is traveling with initial velocity u meter per second. The body is uniformly accelerated. Means after 1 second the body velocity is increased. So what is the velocity of the body at the position B? Means it is definitely more than u. More than u means u plus something. What is that something we have to find? What is that something means? Here I am writing A into 1. Here A is the uniform acceleration and 1 is the time interval. Why I am writing here means here you know the acceleration formula is u is equal to v minus u by t. Here the time interval is after 1 second means here in place of time interval I am writing 1 into what I am writing here 1. After 1 second means 1. This 1 will cancel. So what is remaining here? V minus u. V minus u means there is a change in velocity. That change in velocity we are adding to the initial velocity u. For your convenience, I am again taking the another condition. Here the body is moving to B to C. After 1 second, what is the velocity of the body? Again the velocity is increased. Why? Because here the body is moving with uniform acceleration. Means here definitely the velocity is increased. Then what is the velocity at the position C? Means it is more than initial velocity u. Means u plus something. Then what is here u plus something means I am writing u plus a into 2. Why I am writing a into 2 here means again coming to acceleration formula a is equal to v minus u by t. Here time interval means after 1 second means totally it is 2 seconds. So in place of t I am writing 2 and here a into 2 means e 2 is here I am copying this 2. So a into 2. So this 2 cancel. So remain again v minus u. That is change in these velocities. These at B and C, these velocities. So u plus a into 2. So after t seconds, this t seconds means anything you can take 5, 6, 7, anything. So what is the velocity at the position, at any position D? U plus something. That something is a into t here. A into t. That is the uniform acceleration a into time interval after t seconds. So this is the velocity at the position D. So this becomes final velocity. Means here the final velocity v. So what is the final velocity? V is equal to u plus a into t. This is the first equation of motion. This first equation of motion is can derive in another way also. How it is? This is from the formula of acceleration. A is equal to v minus u by t. Then when t go to that side, then it will become at is equal to v minus u. When u comes to this side, at plus u is equal to v. Means v is equal to u plus at. You can write like this also. So this is the first equation of motion. You can derive it in this way or another way. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.